What up? What's good? I'm gonna give you this thing live in front of the bathroom. What's up? Come on through. Come on through. Come on through. I'm waiting on you. Come on through. Shoot, we live. We live. Shoot, we good in live. Come on through. 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 Come hang with me. Also too, do this for me as you're watching this. Hey, share this thing, like this thing. But also too, for the people that are not on the program, do me a favor. For the people that's not on the program, do me one favor. Inbox me. Tell me your goals. What's your dream size? What's your current size? What's your dream size? How much do you want to drive? Tell me also the next event you want to shut down, because let me give you something good. My goal is to get you queued up, to get booed up. I mean, I want to see how many weddings I can go to in the year 2020. I'm just saying. I want to see how many people, start new relationships because they leveled up their bodies and stuff like that. Because when you level up your body, everything else levels up too, including selections, of people that you have to choose from. Because again, life is beautiful when you have options. Amen. Amen. So that's what's up. So let me show you something. Let me give you a move of the day. Let me see who I have with me. Hold on. I have Nicole in the house. I got RD up in here. Let me see. You're welcome, RD. Thank you, babe. Danielle, Lynn, Cassandra, Lynn. Boom. Let me see. Latanya, Deidre. Boom. Let me give it to you. Now this move right here, you can actually do at home. Since I'm out here about to get my run on, I'm gonna do this on the table, right? But it's gonna focus on your thighs and it's gonna focus on your abs. Hey, Lasagna. So do me a favor. I'm gonna do this with the bands, but you don't have to do it with the bands, okay? But give me 100 of these. And you can break them up any kind of way you want to, okay? So let me show you. And again, I got bands on. And again, you can break these up any kind of way you want to, okay? So what you're gonna do, and again, you can do this on your job. You can do this while you're sitting at your desk. You can do this at home on the couch. But we're gonna alternate every 10, right? So it looks like this. So you'll go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Then you're gonna freeze, okay? And again, I got bands on. Then you're gonna go 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Boom! Then you 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30. Boom! 31, 32. And this is going to kill your thighs. This is going to kill your push. Now, when you pull here, don't come all the way back in, okay? Because you want to keep the tension still on your thighs. So you want to be here, stop here. So it's boom. So this is your angle, okay? And again, you're here, shooting those knees up, sucking your stomach in, driving those knees up. And again, you can do 4 sets of 25 or 2 sets of 50. You can get bands like this from, Walmart, Target, any sporting goods store. And again, it adds the resistance factor to it, so you'll love doing it. But give me 100. If you agree to knock out 100, say I got you, coach. If you agree to knock out 100, just alternate every 10. If you got me, say I got you, coach. Say I got you, coach. And again, if you're not on the program, do me this favor. Go to my messenger. Go to the inbox. Tell me how much you want to lose. Tell me what size you are currently. Tell me your dream size. Tell me some of the goals you wish to accomplish in 2020, because we're going to dominate as a family, as a squidard, we're going to dominate every single room you step into in 2020. I don't care. I don't care if you need to lose 100 pounds. That's cool. I don't care if you need to lose 80, 60. It don't matter. Because I'm going to help you get there. We're going to do it. We're going to do this thing together. That's the beauty of the program. We do it together. So inbox me if you're not on the program. And I look forward to talking to you personally. Now, life homework. Put your hand on your heart. Put your hand on your heart. Put your hand on your heart. Everybody, if you got your hand on your heart, say, I got you, coach. You got your hand on your heart. When everybody say they got their hand on their heart, then I'm going to start talking. Put your hand on your heart. Because this is your life homework. Because again, I believe in having all buckets full to where you're successful in every area of life, okay? Okay? So, life homework. Let me give it to you. Life homework. No more settling. No more settling. We're not going to accept anybody's worst anymore. We're not accepting crumbs anymore, because the thing that I want you to take away from 2019 is I know my value and I've accepted my value, and I'm not accepting anything less than my value. You know, people gonna think that you've changed, and yes, you have, because now you know better. So now you're gonna do better, and you're gonna find people that's gonna do better by you, or guess what? They won't be able to stay. They won't be able to stay. Again, we're going to level up every phase of life. We're not going to be just content with what we have when we've already been promised more. Again, I want you to go after your more. I want you to dream bigger. I want you to expect more. You know, people might say, you're too old to get married. Your time has passed. Devil is a lie. You're too old to have a child. Devil is a lie. You're too old to go back to school. Devil is a lie. You're too old to start a business. Devil is a lie. That method of thinking is for everybody else. We haven't bought into that. Because again, we're about abundance, we're about excellence, and we're about stepping into the things that God has already promised to us. And guess what? We're going to just take hold and claim everything that's been promised to us, from a sound mind to a banging body to beautiful relationships that last. Again, no more part-time stuff, including people. Because what y'all have done is some of y'all have made part-time people. Y'all have tried to make part-time people your permanent people, when the people that you're dealing with right now or have dealt with were supposed to only be in your life for a season. And that was the reason. I'm just saying. So let's step this thing up. If you agree to go after the better things of life and to go after God's promises, and regardless of any obstacle that gets in your way, you're not going to accept the word no. You're not going to accept excuses. You're not going to expect reasons. Say, I got you, coach. Bump all that other stuff. We walking into our godly stuff now. We ain't conforming to the world no more. We ain't doing that no more. Because again, that's what everybody else does. We don't do that. Because again, we step out on God's promises, not what the world says that we can or can't do. Because they haven't seen it done before. I'm a firm believer, if you haven't seen it done before, we're about to show you how to do it. How about that? No more settling, y'all. Again, you're the cream of the crop, the best of the best. And from this point going forward, we're not going to act any less than our standard. We're not going to accept anything less than our standard. If people can't bring their best, tell them to keep it. We don't want that. We're not accepting partial payments. We're not accepting half of anything or a portion of your home. No. If you can't bring us your best, you can have it. We don't want it. I'm just saying. Let me read what Natasha says. I got you, coach. No, let me see. That's what I'm talking about. No conforming, only transforming myself for the better. Thank you, coach. You're so welcome. Look, sometimes you just need folks in your life to remind you of who you are, because sometimes it's easy to forget because you have people in your life who don't validate you, who don't make you feel at a certain level, because if they make you feel at a certain level, it reduces them. So what they say is, I'm not going to blow her head up, because if I blow her head up, then she might see herself as being better than me, and I don't want to do that, so I'm not going to give her props. I'm not going to make her feel like she's better than me, so I'm not going to say nothing. Yes, she looking good. Yes, she's lost weight. Yes, she doing the dang on thing, but I'm not going to tell her nothing, because it's going to make me feel bad about me. So I'm not going to give her props. But I need for you to give yourself props. I need for you to give yourself a high five, a pat on the booty, whatever you got to do to encourage yourself. Because again, everything starts and everything ends with you. It's not about how they feel about you. It's all about how you feel about you. So let's turn the temperature up on life a little bit. Let's turn that thermostat up. And let's warm this thing up, because it's been lukewarm. It's been kind of chilly for a little bit. Now it's time to turn that heat up. Always remember, pressure busts pipes, but pressure also turns coal into diamonds, and that's what you are. So I'm going to invite you today to put some pressure on yourself, to level up, to step your life up, and to step up. So therefore, when it's all said and done, people looking at your life, they'll know that it's only God who did it. Make your life that attractive to where people remember where you came from, and they remember you at your worst, but then you blow up on them and every phase of your life is just popping. And then people look at your life and be like, dang, I remember what she was. And I'm seeing what she's doing now. And even though I don't want to give her credit, I know that wasn't nothing but God. That's how big your life needs to look. That's what's up. So I love y'all tremendously. Again, if you're not on the program, inbox me right now. Tell me your dreams. Tell me your goals. Tell me how much weight you want to drop. Tell me the next event you want to shut down, and I'm going to help you do it personally. I look forward to coaching you. For my bricks who are already bricks, you already know I love you. And look, and we're on the path to shutting down 2020. And again, you know I love you. So let's go to work. Let's turn this thing up and let's go. Love y'all. Be good.